welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my nails again today, so I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes. I'm going to do another solid with glitter on top. Today I'm going to do like a lime green. This is from the same rainbow collection, and I'll link it in my storefront. This is the color, and I'm going to do like a gold glitter on top. So this is that color, and both of them will be linked in my Amazon storefront. So let's get started doing my nails. Okay guys, so I just finished up picking out my nail sizes. Now I'm going in with the buffer. I didn't record my full nail prep in this video. If you want to see how I do that, you can go watch my Barbie nails video. But yeah, I'm just buffing. Now I'm going in with the alcohol to get all that dust off and just strip the nails of any oils before gluing the nails on. Okay, so this is how I glue my nails on, and I use this glue from Amazon. I really like it, honestly. I didn't get to record this part last time. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so I didn't get to show my full process. So here it is. This is how I glue on my nails. Okay, these gloves I'm putting on are UV gloves. They're supposed to help protect your skin from cancer and like cell damage that leads to aging. So these are a must, and they're also linked in my Amazon storefront under the nails list. So you should definitely be using these if you're gonna do your nails regularly. I recommend. And here I'm just cutting my nails down. I'm gonna go in and shape my nails. And I think I said this in my last video, but I like to do like oval nails or almond shaped nails. I just like the way that they look on my fingers personally. I feel like they make them look longer, and I don't know, I just like that. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just rounding the corners and meeting them in the middle to get that nice oval shape. Okay, so I'm starting off with this Beetles base coat. And I'm just going to apply to my whole hand and then put that under for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my regular coat. And I've never used this color, so I don't know what this is about to look like, but hopefully it's a pretty like lime green color. Oh, it is. I like it. I have not been disappointed with this pack yet. Highly recommend. It'll be in my storefront. Wow, I love this color. It's like if you watched my last nail video, that pink that I used, oh my gosh, I was not expecting it to be like that Barbie pink color, but I was obsessed with it. And if you haven't watched that video, you should go check it out. This is not, I should not be doing them on this towel. And I think I said that last time too, so I guess I didn't learn my lesson. And I'm gonna do a gold sparkle. Oh, I think that's gonna be so pretty. Okay, my like fun fact about me, my left hand, it doesn't turn. So I have to go in this weird ass position because my ulna and my radius, the bones in my arm are, in my wrist are joined at my elbow. I don't know, some weird shit, but it was congenital, like I was born with it, so nothing like happened, but anyway, that's why I'm in this weird ass position to do my thumbs. So, but that's like such a good fun fact. I've actually never used it as a fun fact, but I should. If somebody ever asks for a fun fact about me. Okay, so I just put them in there for a minute, and that's how they're turning out. I really, really like this color a lot. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my gold sparkles, and this is 454. So I just did one coat of the green. If it was stuck. Oh well, it's just gonna have to stay there. This is a pretty gold. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna go in with my top coat and just do one layer or coat. gosh, my camera's gonna die. Okay, so my camera's about to die. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this hand and then I will show you guys the finished results. Okay guys, I just finished my other hand. I'm so obsessed with these. Again, I love this color so much. I love the glitter. I don't really know if I can tell that it's gold. I think maybe if I look really closely, but either way, it's really pretty. And the silver would look pretty as well. So, I love those. I'm about to put some vitamin E on to, I guess I can take these off now. I'm gonna just give my hands some moisture because they look dry and dusty. So we're gonna just I feel so much better. I was just saying that I needed to do my nails to get things done because I just feel better with them done. And I love these so much. So Beetles C385 and 454 on top, and they will be linked in my storefront in the description. Go get you some.